I'm Gunther, Field Supervisor for Erickson Foundation Solutions. I'm going to talk to you today about a pre-slab install of some WaterGuard and some CleanSpace we did for a homeowner who already had an existing system on his home, but he added an addition onto his house and he wanted us to come in and get some work done. So we installed the system pre-slab and connected into his existing system. Doing a pre-slab install before any work is fully finished up and you have the slab just gives you a more cohesive unit for how your slab looks. That way you don't have to worry about any patches. It's just one continuous concrete pour all the way right up. It gives it a much cleaner, better finished look. All the way up and down the walls inside, we put our CleanSpace system. It's a woven poly barrier that helps to control moisture, catches anything that's seeping through the walls, and also helps control the humidity and gives it a little bit of insulation. So to put our CleanSpace up, what we do is we attach some fasteners right through and attach it directly onto the wall. All our edges get sealed up with our Nexus Pro joint sealant. That just prevents any kind of moisture, any humidity from leaking around the edges. It just gives it a much better seal, and the only spot that remains open is the bottom. That way it allows all that moisture to just channel and get drained directly into our WaterGuard system. A WaterGuard system is a channel for the water that allows everything to flow through. It sits right on top of the footing and attacks right at the cold joint, which is where most of your hydrostatic pressure water is going to be seeping up from. On a pre-slab pour, it's really nice because we can make sure we're getting a good even level all the way around because we have access to the full footing before our system gets installed. How we do that is we set it on, I run a laser level, get everything out, make sure everything's got a good pitch. That way the water will flow properly all the way through. We take some Tapcon screws, put those all the way through the WaterGuard right through the top fin and attach that onto the wall. That way you don't have to worry about it moving or slipping or sliding. You make sure everything's good, set right at that level when the concrete goes to pour, and your concrete guys will appreciate it too. That way they don't have to worry about the system moving, the system getting unbalanced. So this homeowner had a pre-existing system that was actually installed by us years ago, and he liked the system so much he just wanted to expand it out to the rest of his home. The good news is we were able to just fully blend the two systems together. CleanSpace matched right up, so that way he has no gaps on the wall. We got fully connected into his existing system. That way he's not going to have any water holdovers or anything like that. Still put the inspection ports in there. That way our service techs can get in, make sure the system gets fully flushed out, and it gives it a good connection all the way through to the sump pump. The sump pump will still be able to pull all that water out from the new addition, as well as the old system. Be able to pull everything right through, keep everything nice and connected, and it'll be protected for years to come.